Heilongjiang Longfei Brother Technology Company Limited was established in 2017 and located in the Ice City, Harbin. We are a factory with an area of 5,605 square meters as the production base. We are specialized in supplying air parking heater, engine heater, and other relevant products. The founder, Mr. Zhao Hongkai, has been engaged in the field of automotive heating system for over 19 years and has obtained over 22 design patents, utility model patents, and trademarks, integrating research, development, production, sale, and service of auto heaters. Longfei Brothers heaters are sold well around the world. Currently, we have passed ISO 9001. Most of our products are approved of E9, CE, RoHS, and EAC. As a professional auto heater supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. To guarantee the quality of our goods and services, we have built a modern quality management system in strict accordance with international standards. Every product must undergo strict testing before delivery to ensure our customers can receive qualified and satisfactory goods. Our company's business principle is to support the excellent quality with advanced technology to win the trust of customers with professional service. We are devoted to keeping pace with the market of the global automotive, preheating, and heating industry.